After talking with hundreds of accounting instructors across the country, we found that online learning needs have dramatically changed for faculty and students. Students need an online learning platform that provides them with the tools for success in the classroom and better prepare them for what they will encounter in their future workplaces. That's where CNOWv2 comes in. 82% of students said CNOWv2 helped them better understand the course material. CNOWv2 better prepares students for the challenges they'll face in the classroom and the real world. Features like the assignable video library provide the just-in-time support students need before, during, and after your lecture. Excel online problems, the result of a partnership between Cengage and Microsoft, let students use Excel directly in CNOWv2. These problems provide students with much-needed practice using a real-world tool they'll leverage every day in their careers. The Data Analytics Skill Builders are a new collection of interactive Excel online activities that introduce students to data analytics by combining content and process. Students first perform calculations in large algorithmic data sets to solve accounting-related questions. Then, they use Excel pivot tables and functions to extract relevant information and insights from the dataset. Additionally, students can access a primer designed specifically for these activities, show me how videos, online hints, and post-submission feedback for additional support if needed. The Adaptive Study Plan recognizes that every student is unique, and their study plans should be too. This assignable study center adapts to each student's unique needs and provides a remediation pathway to support them as they master the content. Our blank sheet of paper problems were created to give your students a true-to-life experience of balancing a journal entry. We removed drop-down menus to eliminate over-reliance on the system and help students prepare for what they'll see on an assessment and on the job. With CNOWv2, you'll provide students with a learning experience that mimics what they'll encounter in their careers. And together, we can close the gap between the classroom and the real world.